What if I told you gold is just one breakout away from deciding its next $200 to $300 move? This week could be one of the most important weeks of July for gold. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I upload daily gold analysis shorts along with a complete weekly outlook to help you stay prepared before the market moves. Let's start with the bigger picture. Looking at a weekly time frame, gold remains inside a long-term bearish structure. Since the all-time high near 5300, price has continued making lower highs and lower lows. However, during the last few weeks, something interesting has started happening. Buyers continue defending the support zone, which is 4050 to 4100. This is not just another support level, it's where recent weekly lows have repeatedly attracted buying interest. As long as gold stays above this area, the market still has the opportunity to build a stronger recovery. But bulls have not won yet. The first major resistance sits around 4180 to 4220. Above that, the next important zone is 4300, where sellers previously stepped back into the market. Until we see a convincing weekly close above 4300, I still consider rallies to be recover moves inside a broader downtrend. On a downside, if 4050 fails to hold, I would expect sellers to test psychological support around 4000 followed by 3950 if selling pressures accelerates. Moving down to the daily chart, this time frame tells us a slightly different story. Selling momentum has clearly slowed. The candles are becoming smaller, volatility is decreasing, and price has started moving sideways instead of making aggressive new lows. This usually tells us the market is waiting for a catalyst. Currently, I see buyers trying to defend 4080 to 4100. Immediate resistance remains near 4150. A daily close above 4180 would strengthen the bullish case and could open the door toward 4250. However, if buyers fails again around 4150 to 4180, I would not be surprised to see another move back towards 4050. This is why patience becomes so important. Rather than predicting the market, I prefer waiting for confirmation before entering. Now let's zoom into a 4-hour chart where most swing and intraday traders will focus. Price is currently consolidating between approximately 4090 and 4150. We can see buyers gradually producing higher lows while sellers continues defending resistance. This compression often leads to a sharp breakout. My bullish confirmation would come from a clean break above 4150 followed by acceptance above 4180. If that happens, the next up target becomes 4220 and 4300. On the bearish side, if gold breaks below 4080, I would expect sellers to challenge 4050 with 4000 becoming the next major objective. Remember, breakouts without strong volume often fails. Always wait for the confirmation rather than chasing the first candle. Now looking to the upcoming news, this week, traders should pay the close attention to CPI news, which is on 13th of July, is the biggest market moving events for gold. After that, we have a PPI news on 15th July, and then we have a US retail sales and jobless claims on 16th July, and any unexpected geopolitical developments that could increase demand for safe haven assets like gold. During these events, spreads can widen and volatility can increase rapidly. That's why the proper risk management is just as important as finding the right trade. So here is my plan for this week. I will look for buy opportunities only if gold reclaims 4150 to 4180 with a strong momentum and closes above the resistance. Initial target would be 4220 followed by 4300. If price loses 4080 and sellers maintain control below 4050, I will focus on short-term opportunity toward 4000 and possibly 3950. I am not interested in predicting. I am interested in reacting to what the market actually does. Before you go, I would love to hear your views. Do you think gold will break above 4180 this week, or will seller push it below 4050 first? Comment bullish or bearish below and tell me why. If you found this analysis helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching. Trade safe, manage your own risk, and I will see you in the next analysis. Don't predict the market, prepare for it.